How to unban users on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unban users on Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open up our Discord app right here. So just open it up. And the first thing that you're going to do is to go to the specific Discord server that you own or that you have the role or control to banning users on that Discord server. So once you are in that server, you can just click on this 3-bar line right here at the top left corner, and it should see the text channels and the voice channels of that Discord server. Once you are here, just click on this 3-dotted button right in line with the Discord server name. And let's just click on settings right here, right beside the notifications option. So just click on that, and you can just scroll all the way down, and under the user management section, you should see the options that says members, roles, invites, and finally bans. So let's click on the bans option right there. And this should show the list of the people that you have banned on that specific Discord server. So if you want to unban them and undo the banning for this Discord server, just click on this 3-dotted button right in line with their name. And you can just click on unban right here. You can also see the ban reason that you have inputted when you have banned them. So if you want to unban them, just click on the unban option, and that person will be unbanned from your server. However, it will not be directly added on the server again, so you might have to manually do that or invite them on the Discord server again. So that is how you can basically unban users on Discord. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.